Mm. All right. I think we're live now. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we're live. I have not taken a trade yet today. As we see, we have no trades today. Our net liquidity stands at $1,961. We are down 2.8% on the challenge so far. So, today, in terms of buying power, I only have 570 shares in buying power, meaning I can afford to buy 100 shares in this MLGO stock, which is our leading gap of the day. However, it has to be at the best entry point I can possibly find. Now, I did not enter here because it was way too choppy, way too random, so I wanted to first let it prove itself. Then we're going to see the consolidation if we can get more move up. So my next game plan is to see if I can catch this move up. Hopefully we get a park pattern on the 5 minute. If not, we'll monitor the 1 minute. That's the game plan. Okay, let's say it might take off without me. The question is, if I buy here, will I get rejected? Okay. So we have resistance around this area. Now the next point is to find a good place to get in. That was a good point to get in. I missed it. Right here. That was the point to get him. Okay. So I only have $500 of buying power. Meaning I have at least worst comes to worst, I think I have at least 2 shots to make the best out of it. 5 shares, maximum size is 50. Yeah. So I have at least 2 opportunities to make the best out of it. Let's see what people in chats are saying. Okay, what do we got here? So what strategy will I be trading here? It looks like we catch a flag, maybe. Doesn't look too strong. I'm seeing these wicks over here. And I don't have the 100% certainty that I'm looking for. $15's going strong. 5. Just 25 shares at 6.29. If we get an instant flush down, then I'm out. Oh, I hit 25 by accident, so now I'm at 50 shares. Gonna hit the ask here. I'm left with 35 shares, selling the rest there for a profit at only $5 profit so far. Wait, how many shares are okay? So I have 20 shares left. Now I'm not exactly sure. I don't know why it's 10.25. I'm gonna sell the rest here and then just flatten out. So $5 shares profit. Okay, I scalped it, which was the plan, which was good. All right, could have been better. So that was my first opportunity, $5. I could have executed that. So what I essentially did was I saw the flag here. We're gonna remove this. I saw the resistance here, the pullback, curling back up. As soon as I saw the break, I could have gotten in a much better position though. I got in way too late and sold just right above. Yeah, I got in too late. Even though it did work out and I scalped it because I got out right when I had the profit, which was a good habit that I'm learning, a $5 profit. It's still, it could have been better. It could have been better. That was good, but it could have been better. That could have, yeah. So I have one more chance on MLGO. So I have to decide what type of game plan I'm gonna be using. So we already have 2 strong green candles here. I don't know if we're gonna have another third green strong candle, but we definitely are gonna have a 5-minute pullback, and I believe that I could capitalize on that 5-minute pullback. So I'm gonna let it run its course, and I'm gonna take the risk of sacrificing any potential gains that could be made right now until we see a strong pullback that I can refresh off, because I only have one opportunity to make some money today, and that opportunity is gonna fall short if I don't capitalize. So I'm gonna let it run its course right here. If it keeps making new highs, that's okay. It just made a new high, so it's probably gonna keep going higher. $6.7. Looks like it's pushing. I saw something very interesting right there on level 2. I saw the level 2 being stacked down here, which is a bullish indicator, because these sellers are demanding higher prices. I just peeped that. Take off here. I had the entry point on this flag. That should have been the correct entry point. Somewhere around here. Well, I'm not gonna enter here at the high already. That's not smart. I'm gonna move all this to 15. so I don't get hit with another accidental 25 share buy, which is okay. It didn't really bother me, but in the case of a stoppage, it would have thrown my my game plan off a little bit. Actually, no. I say it throw my game plan off, but I'm not supposed to let it throw my game plan off, because if it does, then that's on me. Okay, so this is good because now we have a pullback. So this line doesn't seem like it did much. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna change this for this. Remove this. We're gonna remove this right here. We're gonna draw this in yellow. I'm gonna have it here, 5-minute high, 5-minute low, which is gonna be moved up here. At the low of that 5-minute consolidation area. We're gonna put this, we're gonna leave that in red. And yeah, we're gonna leave that in red. So now we are up here. You can forget about this. So now we're on the next flag. So we see the pullback here. I was hoping for a more drastic pullback, so I get a clearer game plan, but this works too. Okay. So if I have $255 left, so let's see that share wise. I need my calculator. So I have 255 shares left. $255 left. Divided by, right now we're at 6.5. I can afford 39 shares. 39 shares. Let's say my preferred entry would be around 7. So if 255, let me make room for in case we get up to 7. 255 divided by 7. Preferred share size would be 6. Entering at amounts of 6 shares would be 36. $36. 12. That's good. 12 is good. Okay, well, I'm seeing something I like here. Something I think I'm gonna like. I'm gonna hold off on it actually. It looked promising, but now I realize how easily I could have gotten FOMO into a loss there. What to do? What to do? This was a banana squeeze. I have a banana squeeze up here somewhere on my chart. And the way I have it explained is to get in on 1 minute retracements. 1 minute retracements in this case would be here. Here's a good one actually. For some reason, I don't know why I didn't capitalize on it. We had the resistance levels from up here. That was right down there. That was incredible entry right there. But whatever. We ball. Now we just keep analyzing. What? No. Okay. So I could keep going higher, and it probably will. But I'm still not finding a good entry point. I believe this is different than our other stocks because this is a straight up momentum stock. This just really just shut up. So the way you play it with when the stocks that shoot up, you find these retracement points when the resistance becomes support, like right here, or a flag here, and this resistance here becomes support, and likewise. So under that same theory, we should find a support here. So let's see if this place becomes a support. Now this might be a dumb play, but I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna buy 12 shares here, hoping that 6.95 level becomes support. Now if it does not become support and it crashes below, I'll just stop out. Now I just needed to break that high. That high of 7. Okay, good. I'm gonna add secondary position. And I'm gonna let it take off. Take off, and I'm gonna hit the ask. And I'm gonna hit the, no, not yet. Oh, dope. And I'm out of here. Wait, how did I lose money there? I just lost $1. How did I do that? How did I lose $1? Wasn't that a good execution? 10.05, 6.9, 7.1. Then I sold at 7.2 and 6.8. Yeah, probably because I stopped. I should have sold my entire thing at 7.2. Yeah, and that's probably the back end of the move now. No, 7.5. A lot of analysis that can be done. Still walked away green. $4.87. $5 basically. I think I have room for one more position at 12 shares. I have $85. If the stock is around 7 times 12 is $877.84, and I have $85. Okay. Yeah, actually, I have enough money for a 6 plus 7. But after I see a move like this, there's not really much I would like to do with this. But key takeaways. Yeah, this is a $0.50 move. That's insane. Key takeaways. The ideal point of entry was definitely here. You know, it's funny. I actually have that on my wall. I have it on my sticky. I call it the sticky wall. Let me show you guys. This is this. Where is it? Where is it? So it's right there. So we see here that we have a, oh, it's inverted. Oh, that's a problem. Oh, can we not? I don't think you guys could see this, but we have stock shoots up, trades sideways, and shoots up. But then this is the important one. After it shoots up, we see that this previous resistance made a little tap right here, support tap, and then shot back up. So similar. So similar to this right here, you know, we had some resistance, and the resistance was broken. Resistance then became support, and we see this through this little support tap right here. So yeah, I'll probably keep the stream on for a bit. So not much we could do here either way. We could get a 5-minute chart pattern that I could then trade with my 12 shares left over. But other than that, damn, somebody made 60% on MGLO. So this is one of that stocks where you just keep buying the highs and they keep pumping up. I think, and part of my analysis is A plus stock would be, what type of stock are we trading? What type of game plan will we be using? That's a good one. So, pre-market, look at the type of stock we're looking at. Type of stock, game plan, type of stock. Well, we get Momo slash banana, or support slash demand. Equals highs. 1 minute Momo. Demand equals bull flag slash ABCD. Still made some good trades nonetheless, so that's good. I think we're gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut the stream off, but yeah, happy $5 profit day. I was patient and I stroked when it mattered. No, that came off wrong. I striked. So I think my entry was around here, and then I just sold for the profit. I took my profit at green. However, once we're dealing with the Momo stock, we understand that it's a retracement. So I took profit in green. Should have held on to the other half. That would have been a good idea. But I also took profit, and I don't think there's anything wrong with taking profit. How could I have capitalized on this better? Being more aware of the resistance becoming support entries, such as this, and then just letting it play out. On the 5-minute pattern, here would have been an entry after analyzing this, and then this. Analyzing this, maybe looking all the way back here. Actually, no, that wasn't really the best entry. But best entry would have definitely been down here on that 1 minute, analyzing that resistance becoming support, and then right after, not even. We see like the good thing about this right here is that we see that once resistance was broken here, we had a little tap. Sellers tried pushing it back down. Really, dip was bought right back up. And every single low of every candle after that was seemingly higher. Every close. Now that is a key indication of momentum that we have there. So as soon as the buyers, and we see an increase in the volume. So as soon as the buyers were able to just take it over, they just instantly just kept pushing it higher. So these are the keys. This right here. If I miss this, then these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in unison should have been the indication for a break, and I could have traded on this. Then I would have been okay. I would have said okay. So we've established that our resistance has become support, and the momentum, the buyers taking it off and pushing the momentum higher. Now, how do we get in? So as it builds, we're gonna try to find a good entry, find a little pullback entry, a little bull flag right here, and we get in for the break of 6.2. After we get in for the break of 6.2, we just ride the wave. Sell over at 6.5 maybe, sell half. So that's the game plan there. I'm noticing. Now, why is that second red line up there? What is this for? Oh yeah, but that doesn't really matter. So yeah. So again, knowing what type of stock we're trading, in this case we're trading a Momo stock. Momo stocks move fast, create 1 minute opportunities, and I think we might just have another opportunity as I'm speaking right now. So let's go check that out. Even if we have an opportunity, this red candle is very, very bearish. It's not a good sign. But we'll hold off for a second. See what unfolds. I'm gonna put an alert here. It's gonna be on my phone. Ooh, sharp red on the tape. All right. There's not really anything interesting right now. So I'm gonna shut down the stream, and if for whatever reason we do get movement back up here, then I'll probably back up. You know what? I'll stay on until 10:30. Matter of fact, I'll stay on until 10:30. So it looks like we still might get some moves back to 7.5. If we're able to break that little channel. New 5-minute candle to make a new high would be, well, this one already made a new high. Would be, I guess, if we could make a new high here. Alright, we got the action. So, we're at 7. I am going to... Buying at 7 would be a little risky though, but we do make the one I'm going to buy because we did make a new high here at a new 5-minute high. So I'm going to see if we get that move up to 7.5, and if not, I stop out. Could be a fake out. $7.30. If that doesn't work, I'll just flatten it out. I'd say 7.30 because my aim is 7.5, yet it might not even get to 7.5, so I just put 7.30 as an alternative. I don't even know if 7.30 is it's gonna be close to 7.30, but it's worth the wait. My average is 7.08. 10 more cents. My sell price is 7.30. We are at 7.20. Okay, we're dipping a little bit. I think a dip below 7 will cause a stop. I think that's a good point to cause a stop. Should I lower to 7.25 or should I stay firm with 7.3? So let's think about this. My stop loss is 7. 7.30. I might just try to hold it for 7.5 to be fair. There's only 12 shares at the end of the day. We're gonna try to hold it actually, matter of fact. I'm gonna hold on to my little 12 share size. See if this resistance can become support. break even. Okay, this is kind of, I think this is the make or break moment. Not the make or break moment, but this is definitely the point where we see if we're gonna break that 7.25 range and hit 7.5. I think 7.5 is a good point to sell actually. 7.40, 47, 45. Also, I did hit 7.30, so I would have gotten filled. However, I did not choose that easy option. So I could have gotten filled at 7.3, that is true. Yeah, I think 7.3 was the, looks like the high. Huh. 7.25. 7.38 is the ass right there. What did I get filled at? Wait, damn it, really? Now you want to take off? What did I get filled at? 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 I got filled at 7.3, and I could have gotten filled at 7.8. Wow. Hey, profit's profit. Profit is profit. Damn. Oh, now it's gonna get halted. Oh, isn't that wonderful? The bid size bid is getting stacked up. About to be a strong halt. Okay, so this was the 5-minute setup I was waiting for. So I was so focused on that 1-minute chart, I didn't really take a step back to understand, hey, this is the 5-minute we were talking about. We had a breakthrough here, support, and I sold right at 7.32, right here. I was too eager to get that profit. I should have let it run. I think that's the difficulty I'm having, is when to take profit and when to let them run. Here, I should have understood that it wasn't it was time to let it run because of the 5-minute. Compared to here I should have taken profit because we're trading based on 1-minute chart, and we don't know how high it's gonna go. So I should have traded based on just take profit as soon as I'm up. But here, on the other hand, I did say earlier in the stream I'm gonna wait for that 5-minute setup. Here it is. This is the 5-minute setup. Right here. This is the ABCD pattern. ABCD. We have a 5-minute pullback. That was the key, and we had support around the exponential moving average. Nonetheless, profit is profit, and yeah, at least I'm doing good. You know, I'm getting green and I'm doing good. My 2 entries could have both been better, but I think here we understood that we'd taken profits at a points of at a good points. I'm taking profit, which is good. Only used